Hi friends! Welcome back to Keto Diet Daily. I'm so excited to share something special with you today. A delicious compilation of my top 5 most popular and most viewed keto dinner recipes. These recipes are not only super easy to make, but they're also healthy, low carb, and absolutely bursting with flavor. Whether you're just starting your keto journey or looking for new dinner ideas, these crowd favorites are a must-try. Try them out and let me know in the comments which one you loved the most, or which one you'll cook tonight. Let's make healthy eating fun and tasty. Cook, create, and enjoy every bite. Let's dive in. Recipe 1. Chicken breast and potatoes, keto version. So delicious I could eat this every single day. Ingredients: 3 chicken breasts, salt, black pepper, red pepper to taste, 1 onion, sliced 2 BSP olive oil, 4 small turnips or radishes, keto potato alternative, sliced, 200 milliliter, 3 cup, heavy cream, 2 eggs, 1 TSP Provençal herbs, 1 TSP curry, 120 gar, 1 cup, shredded Gruyere cheese, 1 tomato, sliced. Instructions: preheat oven to 200 degree, 390 degrees Celsius. In a skillet, sauté onions and chicken with spices and olive oil until lightly golden. In a bowl, mix cream, eggs, herbs, and curry. Layer turnip slices in a baking dish. Add chicken and onion. Pour cream mix on top. Add cheese and tomato slices. Bake for 40 minutes, then broil 2 to 3 minutes for a golden top. Recipe 2. Honey chicken breast. The juiciest chicken ever. Easy, fast, and bursting with flavor. Ingredients: 3 chicken breasts, salt and pepper, 60 granny 1/4 cup flour, almond flour for keto option, 3 1/2 TBSP butter or 2 1/2 TBSP olive oil, 4 to 5 garlic cloves, minced, 1 1/2 TBSP apple cider vinegar, 1 TBSP soy sauce, 90 gram, 1/3 cup, sugar-free honey or keto maple syrup, chives optional. Instructions: season and coat chicken with flour. Sear on medium heat for 3 minutes per side in butter or oil. Add garlic, vinegar, soy sauce, and honey. Simmer until sauce thickens and coats chicken. Garnish with chives and serve warm. Recipe 3. Spanish omelette. A 3-ingredient classic that's always a hit. Simple and satisfying. Ingredients: 4 to 5 turnips, keto-friendly substitute for potatoes, thinly sliced, 6 eggs, 1 onion, finely chopped olive oil. Salt instructions: sauté turnips and onions in olive oil until tender. In a bowl, whisk eggs and season with salt. Mix sautéed veggies with eggs. Pour into a pan and cook on low until the omelette sets. Flip carefully or finish in the oven. Tip: you can add spinach or bell peppers for extra flavor. Recipe 4. Potato minced meat bake, keto version. Grandma's classic recipe, now keto and just as hearty. Ingredients: 1 kioya 2.2 lbs. Turnips, sliced, 450 grade 16 Oz. Ground beef. 1 onion, diced 1 TBSP vegetable oil, 1 TBSP butter salt. Peppers, paprika, garlic powder to taste. 400 gram, 14 Oz. Diced tomatoes, 100 gram, 3.5 Oz. Shredded manchego cheese, fresh dill, optional. Instructions: sauté onion and ground beef with spices. Layer turnips in a baking dish. Add meat mixture and tomatoes. Top with cheese and bake at 200 degree, 390 degrees Celsius for 10 to 15 minutes. Sprinkle with dill before serving. Recipe 5. Creamy salmon fillet. So tender it melts in your mouth. A keto seafood dream. Ingredients: 2 TBSP olive oil, 2 salmon fillets, salt and black pepper, 1 TBSP butter, 2 garlic cloves, minced, 150 grams, 1 cup, cherry tomatoes, handful of baby spinach, 120 milliliter, 1 matcha 2 cup, heavy cream, 30 gram 1/4 cup, Parmesan cheese, fresh basil or parsley. Instructions: sear salmon in olive oil until golden. Remove and set aside. In same pan, Sauté garlic and cherry tomatoes. Add spinach. Then stir in cream and parmesan. Return salmon to pan and simmer until creamy and cook through. Garnish with herbs and enjoy warm. My friends, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed these top 5 keto dinners, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more easy and delicious keto-friendly recipes every week. Let me know in the comments which recipe you'll try first. And don't forget to share this with friends who love cooking too. Stay safe, stay healthy, and as always, stay delicious. This is Keto Diet Daily.